Hey there, in this video, I'll introduce you to Flutter in just 100 seconds. Ready? Let's jump right in. Flutter is an open-source UI development framework by Google. With Flutter, you can create apps for Android, iOS, web, and desktop, all using a single codebase. Yes, one code, 4 platforms. Flutter uses the Dart programming language. It's all about widgets. Buttons, text, images, everything you see on the screen is a widget. With widgets, you can build beautiful and customizable UIs. Why should you use Flutter? Fast development, great performance, cross-platform support. How to get started? Download the Flutter stake. Learn Dart. Don't worry, it's super simple. Create your first Hello World app. And that's it, Flutter in 100 seconds. If you want to learn more, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Start building your future with Flutter.